We all keep something in our glove box. Something that's really commonly kept there are the owner's manuals for your vehicle, as well as registration, proof of insurance, stuff like that. In my glove box, I also keep some extra parts. I keep lug nuts. I keep wheel studs. I keep a spare oil drain plug. I also keep a few other odds and ends. I'm a rail fan, so I keep extra batteries for my scanner. I'm a YouTuber, so I keep earbuds with a mic on them. I gotta have sunglasses, so I always keep a spare pair of sunglasses. I've even got carry-out menus from some of our favorite local restaurants in case we're coming back from a road trip and we don't feel like making dinner. If I'm with Kingpin, there will be extra napkins. But something that I needed today that I didn't have was a valve stem cap. I got this tire back from the tire shop the other day and I put it on and I realized there's no valve stem cap on there. You might go, so what? Who cares? It's just a tire. It's just a wheel. Who cares? Are you worried about the appearance? Is it that important? Well, the appearance is part of it, but really, it's a maintenance issue. If I've got the cap on that valve stem, then dirt and debris from the road salt, things like that won't get in there. Also, I know of a situation where somebody had a very slow tire leak and they couldn't find it. It turned out that the valve stem was actually leaking and they didn't have a cap on there. If they did, it wouldn't have leaked. Now, that's not the main reason, but that was a new one for me, and it's always been something I've thought about. Make sure that there's always caps on the valve stems. So today I went out and picked up some. This is a 4-pack of valve stem caps from Slime. I got these at the local Meijer department store. It's kind of like Walmart. And these are TPMS valve caps. More or less, these are for your tire pressure monitoring system. They're longer than your standard valve stem caps, and they cost about $2 more for the package. But I did notice on this truck and on my wife's car, which both have tire pressure monitoring systems, that the caps that came from the factory were a little bit longer. I always thought that was something that just say, hey, these are GM caps. But it turns out they actually do have a function. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this and keep this package in the glove box with some of the other things just in case. You never know when I might be on a road trip and something might happen. Another thing that I noticed I didn't have that I normally keep is this center cap with the Chevy bow tie. You never know when there's going to be a situation where it gets scuffed up or I'm on a road trip and the tire shop there loses it or something else like that. That is more about aesthetics, but that's something that I would ordinarily keep. So I'll be stopping at the dealership this week to get one. I picked up a second package of these valve stem caps to put in the wife's glove box just in case. So that's just a little tip from me to you, something you might want to consider having amongst other things. Thanks for watching.